This is Rich Boy Wayne, aka Wayne Woodson, aka the Specialist of Opportunity, and today we're going to be learning how to build a web-based business. Building the business from the ground up and taking it from there. And so this is going to be a mini-part series, and this is going to be the first part of the series, which is the basic, the fundamentals of building a web-based business. And our journey starts at Godaddy, where we're going to be purchasing the domain name for our website. So we're going to type in a domain name here, and we're going to choose something simple. So we're going to go for, and we just keep trying stuff until we find something. We don't want to use the in front of domain names. That's cheesy. People don't like that. Okay, so it looks like there is not a lot of domain names. Wow, these are taken. I didn't expect that. But we're going to keep trying until we find one that isn't taken. You may have to go through the whole alphabet. Okay, so I've shown you the process of choosing a domain name, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my name, my username, which is richboywayne.com. Oops. Alright, so if this was available, then what we would do is we would go down and we would go to add to cart, then click on continue to cart. It's going to try to get us to use a bunch of other stuff and select a bunch of other stuff, but we don't need any of this stuff. We're going to go to continue to cart, and then we're going to go ahead and check some things here. We want to make sure that this is 1 year registration. We don't want to buy more than 1 year at a time, because we may not keep this domain name. We may want to sell it to someone. And then we also, let's see, registration. We want to make sure there's no extra stuff in here. Like it's going to include web hosting. We don't need website builder, because we're going to build our own website. So we're going to delete this. Click on the trash can, delete that. Okay, here we go. Should be around $12 and some change. But there is a way to get it even cheaper than this. And there is a promo code that you can use. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to see if we can find that promo code. I may just paste it in the description of this video. That way you can use it and you can save yourself some money. But when it's all said and done, it's going to get you to create an account. We already have an account. And then just go ahead and purchase the domain name. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your domain name. So I'll see you in the next video.